Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to remove your YouTube search history. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, open your YouTube app and then go to your profile and then click settings. And now go to your manage all history. And now you will see the delete option of search history. Now click delete and click delete all the time. And then you can check your previous search history. And once you're done, you can finally delete it. And that's it everyone. I hope you learned in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.